You're watching how to unlock and clear all locked WhatsApp chats at once. First, ensure you remember your WhatsApp chat lock passcode. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat lock screen. This is found by pulling down on your chat list until you see the locked chat section, or by tapping chat lock in settings privacy. To unlock all chats individually, you must open each chat and enter the passcode. There is no native unlock all button. However, to clear all locked chats at once, you can turn off chat lock completely. Go to WhatsApp settings privacy chat lock. Tap turn off chat lock. You will be prompted to enter your passcode or use biometrics. After turning it off, all previously locked chats will become unlocked and appear in your main chat list. If you want to clear, archive, or delete these now unlocked chats, you must do so manually. To archive multiple chats, go to your chat list, tap select or edit, select the chats, then tap archive. To delete multiple chats, select them and tap delete. If you've forgotten your chat lock passcode, you must uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. This will remove the lock but also delete your chat history unless you have a backup. Reinstall WhatsApp, verify your number, and restore from backup. The chat lock will be reset. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.